I think it's good for someone that's running already this title, and it's this clean, and it's had the same owner since I think '98. I don't know what year this is, probably I don't know, 95, 96. So pretty close to the original owner. And this thing was apparently stored at the airport of all places, the airport of Truckee. So yeah, but let's do a cold start right now. We'll go ahead and cold start because the battery is it's on the charger inside. I don't know if it's gonna make it or not. It kind of works, it kind of doesn't, but there you go, cold start. Close the hood over here. One-handed. Let's see. Oh, first ball. There you go. Oh, yeah. There you go. It just runs too good.